Hello everyone, this is IFTubeBuddy. In this video, we are going to discuss about access modifiers in TypeScript. Access modifiers are something which defines the accessibility of the property and the method inside a class. We have three access modifiers in TypeScript: public, private, and protected. Before discussing about them, we will take a look at the code we have written. This is the code which we have written in our previous videos while discussing about class and class level inheritance. We have a class student. Inside student class, we have one string property name, a constructor, and a method welcome. We have created one S1 object of class student, and we have some operations over the S1 object. And next, there is a class teacher, which is a child class of student, or you can say a class which is derived from a student class. There is a constructor and one method assigned task. After that, we have created T1 object, which is an object of teacher class. And then we have some operations over the T1 object. Now we will discuss about the access modifiers. First one is public. If you are not declaring any property or method as public, by default, all the properties and method inside a class is set as public, and these public class members are accessible from anywhere of the application. We have a string property name inside the student class, and you can see we have accessed that name from line number 14, line number 24, and line number 29. And you can also define the name property as public by using public keyword. Then also the behavior is the same. The next one is private. If you are declaring a member as private, that particular member will be accessible only inside that class. You cannot access any private member outside of that particular class. If I change this modifier from public to private, you can see immediately we got several errors. In line number 14, line number 24, and line number 29, which says property name is private and only accessible within the class student. But observe here, you can access the property name in the welcome method, which is there inside that student class. You cannot access it outside of the class. This is a sort of data security for a class member. And the last one is protected. If you are declaring one particular class member as protected, that class member will be accessible within that particular class and those classes which are derived from that class, or you can say the child class of that particular class. If I change this private modifier to protected, you can see we got the errors outside of the student class and outside of teacher class. But inside student class and inside teacher class, there is no error because teacher class is a child class of student. So you can access the protected class members from that particular class and the child classes of that class. To summarize the whole concept, public is accessible from anywhere of the application, private is accessible only inside that class, and protected is accessible inside that class and from the child classes of that class. This is the overall concept of access modifiers in TypeScript. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.